It's like, and get this deal or get this deal. Hi guys, it's Chala. Welcome back, and for today we are doing the ultimate makeup guide for all you people who have no idea what to do when it comes to makeup. This is a drugstore edition, so we're saving money. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me on IG at Chala616. I post frequently, and let's get started. Okay, so the first makeup item that I want to talk to you guys about is primer. So the primer that I use is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Blur and Illuminate Edition. It's just the pink one. This is like Facetune in a freaking tube. Like, it's like, it is mind-blowing to me. This is so good. It just blurs out your skin. It blurs out your blemishes, takes away a little bit of redness that you have, and it's a very good base for applying your foundation and applying your makeup all together. You don't have to go to Ulta and get some high-end expensive primer when Walmart can do the exact same thing. So this is a very good steal and a very good deal, and I just rhymed and I'm good at that, but this is so good and I highly recommend it. Going on to foundation, I have two types of foundation that I love. They're also from Maybelline because I like Maybelline a little too much, but the first one is just the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. This gives you a complete, I cannot talk, a complete airbrushed finish. It is so lightweight, so it's kind of dewy, kind of not, kind of in the middle. But it's so lightweight. You have it, you feel like you have nothing on, and I feel like that's so good for us beginners. Also, I have my holy grail, my boyfriend, my go-to, my boo, my whatever you want to call it. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 230. I love this. This is my holy grail, and not only myself, but I have seen other beauty gurus talk about this product and they just love it so much more than high-end foundations. This has always been something that a lot of people go back to, and I myself in the exact same way. Definitely love this one. Everyone else says they love it too, so if you don't want to listen to me, listen to some other people and get this deal or get this deal. Oh, I'm on a roll today with my rapping. I'm just saying. Now with concealer, I actually have two different types of concealer. One concealer, I really cannot find it, but it is the Fit Me Matte, no, it is the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. And then I also have this little gal, and this is just the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow concealer. I love this concealer, maybe even more than the Maybelline, just because I love how thick the wand applicator is and how much product is able to get on the wand, and just how full coverage this is, and it's just such a good concealer. I actually don't even know how I got this concealer because I don't remember me buying it, so I'm gonna roll with it, but it's a really good concealer and I highly recommend it. And next with powder, this powder is also from Walmart. I think you can only get this at Walmart, I think, but this is just the Airspun Loose Face Powder, just a little orange thing, and this is in the shade Naturally Neutral. This powder is so good. It makes your skin, it makes your foundation flawless. It sets your face, sets it in place, sets it all together. It is just such a good powder all around. I also recommend this more than some high-end powders. This is always my go-to. I always go back to this powder. Now we're gonna go into the eye makeup, eyeshadow. So the first eyeshadow that is actually like the easiest thing that I use when I have to do my makeup on the go is my Maybelline Mini City palette. This is in Downtown Sunrise. It just comes in these 2, 4, 6 different colors, and it just has your transition shades, your crease shades, some lid glitter, and it is just so good. It just has basically everything that you need to create a basic eye look. I use this when I have to do my makeup super fast and be on the go. I can just like apply these colors. I don't have to think about it. It is so easy. It has everything that you need for starting makeup. If you want to go a little bit more adventurous, be a little bit more out there, just a little tip in the pool, you can have the Wet n Wild, I think it's called the Color Icon. Reading is fundamental, guys. and this is the Rosé in the Air and Not a Basic Peach. These are also two incredibly great products. I love the Rosé in the Air. This is probably my go-to right now. This is also very comparable to the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I had a little brain fart. This is very compatible to it. It has literally the exact same colors. If you give me the Anastasia Beverly Hills and then the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air, literally they're the same freaking thing. Like, how phenomenal is that? You can get a drugstore thing when you can also get a high-end one. Like, doesn't get much better than that, my peeps. So this is just so good. And like I said before, they have your transitions and then your crease, and then you got some glitter if you want to go a little bit out there. And it has so many different looks that you can create. And if you're having a brain fart like me sometimes, you can just read the back, and it also gives you an example of a look that you can do for all you beginners. I love using bronzer because I'm literally the palest person in the entire universe. So the bronzer that I started out using, I think, is just the e.l.f. bronzer palette, and it just comes with these 4 colors, and it just has like very tan colors in it. And this is a very good start if you don't know what color you want. And then stepping out of the box just a little bit more, I like the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade 05 Soleil. I think I literally butcher that name every time I say it. It just looks like this and has a little bit of shimmer to it. So yeah, this is also a really good bronzer to start out using. And also for you beginners, if you don't have a lot of makeup brushes, it also comes with a brush, so you get a 2-in-1 deal, which is very good because then we don't have to buy an extra brush. So this is also really good. I highly recommend trying out bronzer if you want to spice up your tan, make it seem like you have a tan. That's a good way to go. Highlighter, which is probably one of my favorite parts when it comes to makeup. And the highlighter that I found my first love for is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Golden Precious Petals. This was like my first love. If I had love, this is my very first love that I had. It is just such a precious petal color. Yeah, but it's just so good. I love this color. It just, like, it makes me shook just looking at myself. Like, I just love looking and seeing how shiny my highlighter is, and it all came from this Wet n Wild highlighter, and it's a good starter. And then another highlighter, which is now my new love, and this is the Milani Strobe Light in the shade 01 Afterglow. And this is just what this highlighter looks like. And literally, like, look at the, this is like so pigmented. It shows up flawlessly, and it looks flawless on all skin. Literally, I guarantee you there is not a skin color that this does not look phenomenal on. I highly recommend trying this. If you do not try anything else, try this highlighter because it will change your life for the better, and I promise you, only the better. Like, get this highlighter. It's perfect. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.